Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. Alexis here with Modesty. It's been quite a weird Twilight Zone-ish like week for me, but I do have a box for you to open. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers and guests, as I was saying, it's been quite a weird week. I lost my internet, which really affected my day job, trying to do Zoom and trying to do the meetings and also trying to record. I'm just very thankful that I do have like a week's worth of videos recorded ahead of time. Otherwise, I would totally have failed this week. So it's been quite a weird week. And as you notice, I have no makeup on. And you're thinking, okay, what's going on with that? Well, it's late at night. And I want to make sure that I get this done. And if I'm really not sure what's going on, to be honest with you, because I got this box from Macy's and I looked for January 2021 opening, see how many people's already opened it. Not to see what's in it, but how many, lists come up. And there's nothing up. And this is a reason why I said, you know what, I got to get this up, especially for people who are curious what's in it. But I'm really afraid now because you know what happened with my fashionista and also fashionista. Well, my fashionista box as well as my, I think it was at my Glossybox. I mean, they were a little bit off and I ended up opening my November and December thinking it was December. And so, but I think once I open this box, I will pretty much be able to tell because I know what I got in my other box and I know what other people have actually unboxed on videos. So, you know what? Enough of that, but let's get it open because I'm really curious to see what this is. Otherwise, I wouldn't have, done this late at night and, whatever. But I have this week had some of my hauls come in. I had Sephora, I had Huda Beauty, I had Viseart, I had Ulta, I had a bunch of stuff coming in. And I meant to show you those and kind of do the hauls, but I don't know if you guys are interested in that. Let me know below if you are, and then I will share that with you. Otherwise, what I do is I do like, when I'm doing the actual tutorials or get ready with me or whatever the case may be, you'll see it then. So just let me know below, okay? So I said I was going to open this and I didn't. So hold it. Whoa, okay. Hold on here. Usually there's a little tab that goes zzz, but there isn't. And this is really, you guys, you know me and boxes already, right? And they're gonna do this to me. Look, I think they totally glued this. This is different. This doesn't have the usual tab. And wow. You know what? Hold on a minute. Let me get this open. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, it's not open yet, but I figured out what it is. The post office or whoever delivered this or whoever shipped it put the tab on the wrong side, the tag on the wrong side, so it covered up the little tab. That's, the pull tab. That's what happened. Okay, so yeah, this is definitely not something that anybody else has opened because right now, I can tell you right now by opening this, there's a flat iron in here. Mini flat iron. So let's see what's in here. This is very interesting. Okay, first of all, you do know that it comes in a nice little wrapped up bundle like this. And then there should be a little card, and there is. It's like a sheet, and they always give you like a $5 off coupon if you subscribe. And this box is $15 a month, and they give you a $5. Last month I got a $10 one. I don't know why, but it only worked for $5. Although it said $10 on there, I couldn't get it to work for 10. So it is what it is. It's okay though. And so on the inside, it tells you what is in here. And according to this, I believe the value is $87. It is. The total value of this box is $87. I paid $15. It's a monthly box from Macy's. And so the first item, since I showed you what it is, let me move this over so it doesn't fall. It's a mini flat iron. Very cute, right? I do have a professional flat iron, but I don't have a mini one. I mean, how does it work? Let's take a look. I mean, I like it. I mean, you know I love things mini, right? I mean, I love mini things. It's so cute. And oh my goodness, and it's even in one of my favorite colors. It's purple. It has the directions how to use it. I mean, it's not, you know, rocket science. How to use it, plug it in, stick your hair in here, pinch and pull, right? So, but very cute. You know what? This is so cute. Look at this. And it has your little warning. Don't, you know, put it in a bathtub while it's plugged in. Same thing. I don't know, because this, it's almost like if I had a little kid that had Barbie dolls, I want to give it to her to play with it, because there's no way you can use this on my hair. I have a whole head full of hair, and there's no way I could use this, I don't think. I'll try to let you know. But anyway, before I put it away, there you go. I think that's, yeah. It is by Sutra, is the company. And that is very, very cute. I don't know if that's coming over, but here, let me do it like that. So, yeah, curling iron. Very nice. Who would have known? I didn't know they sent things like this. And this is like only my third box from Macy's. And so, yeah, I've not gotten anything like that before. And so if you've been getting things from Macy's, or if you get this box, tell me what you've been thinking. You know, what do you think about it? And is it worth it for you, what you get? So, yeah. And then, so next one. Usually there's a bag or something in here too, which is an extra. You're supposed to get 5 travel size or deluxe mini samples is what you get. And so, and also a bonus, and sometimes it's going to be like a bag. And so, let's see. Alrighty then. First, I will say, okay, this is a Southern Belle Dry Bar. Okay, this is a dry bar product, and it is a dry shampoo, I believe, but I will go ahead and read it to you just in case. Okay, this is, let's see. This is a Dry Bar Southern Belle Volume Boosting Root Lifter. This ultra plumping spray foam targets roots for instant lift and volume. It's $26 for a full size. How to use: shake well, spray into damp, really? Spray into damp hair at the roots and gently massage until foam disappears. Blow dry as usual. Okay, so it's not a dry shampoo. It's like a root lifter. So, okay. Interesting. That's that. And next, we have a chlorine. I've had this before. There you go. And what this is extend the life to your look with this award-winning plant-based dry shampoo. The ultra-fine powder leaves hair clean, refreshed, and full of texture and volume. And the retail price on the full size is $29. And how you use this is you just spray it 10 to 8 inches from the roots and wait a few minutes and use your fingers to brush to work through and style as usual. So that's that. So it looks like it's all going to be hair products today, which is okay. You know, I don't use a lot of this stuff, but that's all good. Oh, and there's a they also give you a perfume sample as well. This is Michael Kors, gorgeous, and you know me and perfume. I love me some perfume, so I would definitely put this to use. And what is this? Is this Ude perfume? Say it is. Say so. Say you are. Say you are. And Ude perfume. Okay, and it's the notes are white floral bouquet with tobacco leaf and central cedarwood. Ooh, that smells really nice. I like this one, Michael Kors. It's called Wanderlust, and that has about the similar scents. So, I'm dying to try it. Okay, and next we have Rahua. It's a classic shampoo. Okay, see that? And according to this, Rahua, where are you? Okay, hold on here. I gotta change hands. I'm not doing so good here. Rahua cleansing shampoo. It's made with signature Rahua oil from the Amazon. The shampoo will strengthen weak, damaged hair, maintain scalp health, and leave your tresses soft, silky, and luminous. It's $34 for full size. And of course, this is just a deluxe mini, which is okay. And then the next one is the Rahua. This is the conditioner. It's the mate to the shampoo. Okay. And this one here, says it's made with the same signature oil as the shampoo. This award-winning conditioner fortifies, hydrates, detangles your hair. It's $36 in retail for the full price. For the full price. For the full size. Okay. Next is a verb. Not a noun, but a verb. There it is right here. It's a verb oil. What is this about? It's a ghost oil. Okay. It's this weightless, wonderful oil is infused with moringa oil and bamboo extract to smooth, frizzy. Hold on here. Let me start over. Man, it is late. Yeah, and the caffeine's done wore off. Okay, so this weightless wonder oil is infused with moringa oil and bamboo extract to smooth, frizz, strengthen your hair, and help maintain moisture. And it is $16 or $18. That is $18 for the full-size product. Again, just a sample. And the last thing that's in here is, I think this is a bonus, isn't it? It's created from Macy's. It's a velvet hair scrunchie. And you know what? I love scrunchies. I have scrunchies all over the house. They're all over the place. And you know what? My cats get them and they play with them. And then I find them in different random places. And then I collect them all and put them in my little basket. Next thing you know, they're all gone again. I'm like, dang, these cats. And so anyway, I love scrunchies and I could use them. So it's pretty, ooh, did you see that? I'm going to have to get that off first. Okay, so this does have a value, doesn't it? Is it? Nope, no value there. Creative with Macy's Velvet Hair Scrunchie. And you know what? How much is this Sutra Beauty Flat Iron? The full size, if you get the full size and not the travel size, is $80. That's so funny that they made a teeny tiny one. What? So, I don't know. It's almost like when you would play with a doll to me. But that's okay. That's good. Well, anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, that's it. But I'm so excited to be able to unbox something that nobody else has unboxed. I got to hurry up and, edit this video and get it up there. And by then, of course, my internet will be slow and it'll be 3 days from now and everybody will have already posted it. So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for joining me. And I hope you guys are doing well. And if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'm going to give you a moment to listen to the crickets. Did you subscribe? Thank you so much. Okay. Well, anyway, I want you guys to have a great day, great night, great weekend, whenever you're watching this or whenever I get to post this. So, but just remember, never, ever sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.